guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to make the half double crochet V-stitch. The first thing that you're going to need is a crochet hook and some yarn. And I've already made a little test swatch here using 2 different colors. That way it's going to be easier to see how the stitch is going to be made. And I have already made a little half double crochet V-stitch using 3 chains and a half double crochet stitch for the beginning of my row. If you need to learn how to chain or you need to learn how to do the half double crochet stitch, I do have videos on that and I will have them listed either down below or up in the eye. I also have a playlist on a bunch of different crochet stitches to learn how to crochet, and I will have that listed down below or up in the eye as well. To begin the half double crochet V-stitch, I'm going to skip this stitch right here and work into the second one. For V-stitches, you want to give a little bit of room in between them because they will start to sort of wave and not lay correctly if you do too many all together. So I'm going to work into this stitch right here and I'm going to work a half double crochet stitch. Then for the top of the stitch, you're going to want to do 1 chain. And for the other side of that V-stitch, you're going to want to do a half double crochet in that same space. And that's going to be 1 V-stitch right there. So it's basically worked in 3 parts. It's going to be a half double crochet stitch, a chain, and a half double crochet stitch all in the same space. So to show that again, I'm going to skip this space and I'm going to work into this one. And I'm going to do a half double crochet stitch. I'm going to do 1 chain. I'm going to do a half double crochet stitch in that same space. And that's going to be another V-stitch. So again, we're going to do a half double crochet stitch, 1 chain. Whoops. I'm going to make that 1 chain for the top of the stitch, and then I'm going to work another half double into that same space. And that's going to be 1 V-stitch made. And again, we're going to do a half double, a chain, and then another half double in that same space. And that is going to be how you make the half double crochet V-stitch. I hope you guys liked this video and enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Also, please leave me any feedback on videos that you would like to see in the future. And I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a great day.